to Crypto Rally. It is April 5th, 2026. Look at Bitcoin and it's starting to pump. So we went from this high to this beginning of the pump right here. So pump up. Started retraced to the 618 at 66,575 and 65,854. Came down, found support, and we are pumping up. So then I move the fib up to this bounce. So from the top to this bounce, reverse the fib. And that's how we found the 786 at 68,512 and 67,903. So the resistance, right now we're having issues at the 786, but we have an hour left in this candle. And if we get through here, we'll be heading up to the 1618 at 71,611 and 70,305. So next resistance area. And if you look at the RSIs are overbought in the bullish area up here, so we can go for a while, keep pumping. And then we're getting overheated on the regular RSI. Look at the 4-hour RSIs getting at the top. On the 4-hour, the regular RSI is still pumping up, plenty of room to keep going. And then the daily still have plenty of room on the stock RSI to pump up. We're just breaking through the signal line on the regular RSI, so lots of room to keep pumping. So right now we're hitting our first resistance. Let's see if we can break over it in the next 46 minutes for the weekly to close. Go ahead and look at the weekly. Here's the weekly. So you can see from this top at 76,000, and the bottom at 60,000. We're staying over the 618 and the 786. Staying over this. We've wicked through it multiple times, but always have gotten over it. And that's what we want to see to keep heading higher. The weekly RSIs down here, trying to break through the weekly signal line right here, which would be bullish if we close over it in the next 40 some minutes. And the regular stock RSI is heading up also, so that's all looking pretty bullish. And then this would be like the daily area, the daily areas right here. So the hourly is in this area that we're looking for, like some resistance. But this is the daily daily areas, which I can't talk today. So the first stop on the daily at 786 would be 73,530. 618 is 71,601. And then if we break this 76,000, we'll be heading up to the 1618 at 83,877 and 79,408. So the reason you look at the hourly is short-term pullbacks or resistance, and then daily is longer term, and then weekly is even more longer term, high resistance areas. So this is where I would expect to get through on the daily. So in a few days, get to this area. The hourly would be within like a day or so to get to these areas. And you see we're just breaking the 786. So hopefully keep going, start heading, have issues in this area for a while, consolidate, maybe a small pullback, and then push up to the then push up to the daily areas from there and up to here. That's what I'm looking at now. I don't know if bullish news came out or if any type of news came out. I have to go look when I get off the stream to see why we're pumping so hard. But everything is looking pretty good. And don't forget to like and subscribe and add some comments. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Again, not financial advice.